Good afternoon, fellow YouTubers. Bill Shelney from another YouTuber, and today we are looking at the Apple Pencil unboxing second generation to go with my new iPad. So here's the back of the box. That's how it connects to if you got the newer iPad model. Pencil, there's the front. So to take it off, I'm assuming you peel this back. Here you go. Pull that wrapper off. And here's the pencil itself. Now it's got like a pull tab up here. So I'm assuming you grab the pull tab and you pull it out like that. Simple. So it's designed in California with all the documentation and stuff in there. And here's the Apple Pencil itself. It's different to the Generation 1. It's smaller. It's sort of like a flat spot where it usually will sit on the iPad and charge, because it charges via magnets on an iPad. So yeah. Anyway, that's the quick unboxing of this Apple Pencil, and yeah, so thanks for watching. Bye for now, and I'll see you in the next video.